Hi guys, this is Praveen. Welcome back to all of you. Today I have a very important lesson for all of you that would really help you with sentence making. So the topic is types of sentence structure. Basically, there are four types of sentence structure. First, simple sentence, second, compound sentence, third, complex sentence, and fourth, compound complex or complex compound or mixed sentence. Now, I'm going to discuss about the all sentences with definition and some examples to understand. First one is simple sentence, a sentence that has only one verb, or it cannot take another clause because that is an independent clause. A sentence that is a single clause, single verb, like I like biology, I like study. I is the subject, like verb, biology or study is the object. Okay, I'm telling you something. I'm telling you the structure of the simple sentence. With or without phrase, subject, verb, or object, with or without phrase, complement. If you are using, then it's okay. You can use it in many ways to make simple sentences. Or if you say I know, I is a subject, know is a verb, it is a full independent clause. Now we are going to discuss about the next compound sentence, a sentence made from two independent sentences joined by coordinate conjunction, but, yet, for, so, and, or, nor, and so on. I'm giving you an example for this. I always wanted to become a good speaker, comma, and C wanted to become a journalist. I, subject, wanted, verb, to become a good speaker, object, and conjunction. She wanted, C subject, wanted, verb, and to become a journalist, object. Two verbs, two independent clauses are joining together from a coordinate conjunction that is called compound sentence. So now we are going to discuss about the complex sentence. In grammar, a sentence that contains a main part and one or more parts, that is a complex sentence. Now I am giving you an example for the same. I know that you always wanted to become a doctor. I is a subject, know is a verb, independent clause. That conjunction, you always wanted to become a doctor. You, subject, wanted, verb, to be a doctor, object. Here a dependent clause followed by a connector and an independent clause. I know is an independent clause. You always wanted to become a doctor is a dependent clause. So now I would like to tell you about the structure of the complex sentence, so it will really help you to make the sentence. So as you know that subordinate conjunction, like after, before, although, if, since, because, as, though, unless, where, when, whereas, while, and so on. So they are subordinate conjunction. There is a structure in complex sentence: main clause, subordinate conjunction, and subordinate clause. Here I would like to tell you one note for this subordinate conjunction and clause. Subordinate conjunction will be first, then subordinate clause, always. The main clause can be come in begins, or it can be in ends. So you need to just focus on the conjunction or the clause. So now we are going to discuss about the last, compound complex, complex compound or mixed sentence. It must contain at least two independent clauses. and at least one dependent clause, because this is a mixture of the features of the compound and complex sentence in one sentence. That is why I'm giving you one example to understand. I know that you always wanted to become a doctor, but I always wanted to become a journalist. Here it is. One dependent clause is followed by a complex connector and two independent clauses with a compound conjunction between them. I'm telling you how. You always wanted to become a doctor, independent clause, but it is a compound conjunction. I always wanted to become a generalist. It is also an independent clause. So there are two independent clauses with a compound conjunction that is complex connected from the one dependent clause. I know it is a dependent clause. If you like the video, so kindly like, subscribe and press the bell icon for the upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.